Happy sloppy Saturday. We've been busy all day trying to get this old bitch cleaned up. I think we are just about done. I think that's about clean as she's gonna get, boys. I shot the whole thing with Mirror X acid, truck and trailer, just to get all the grunge off of her. So Monday morning, we're gonna head to Newville. Sharon, for fuck's sakes, I think we're ready for the truck show. What do you think, Scooby? I know some of you Debbie Downer, down and out dipshits are gonna say, you're probably gonna have rain. One day it started raining and it didn't quit for 4 months. I've been through every kind of rain there is. Little bitty stinging rain, big old fat rain, rain that flew sideways, and sometimes rain seemed to come straight up from underneath. That's alright, I've told you dipshits before. Pride truck wash is set up on site in the parking lot. She'll wash this bitch as soon as I get there. It's an 11-hour ride there. It's bound to get shitted up a little bit. And they'll even probably wash that den. Tomorrow, Blister and I are going to load all our tables and chairs and bullshit in the trailer. Get all packed up. Then we're going to go over the paint with King of Bling's Bubble Gloss Wet Sauce. Freshen her up a little bit, boys. In years past, we used Evan Steger's Time to Shine ceramic sealer. This shit's badass too. But I'm running a wee bit low, Evan. Well, we're all stocked up with beverages. Gotta stay hydrated, boys. Got Blister hauling beer. That's not beer, that's Bud Light. Wife and No Name brought her chairs over. I guess we gotta truck them down for her too. She's kind of a fancy pants. She's flying down Thursday afternoon and staying till Sunday. Blister, you all ready to go to Matt's? Yep. You gonna get a haircut, trim your beard? Thank fracking God. A bunch of my buddies are snatch slapping me. They're all out at Tony Reed's for the beater with the heater deal today. I wish I could have gone, but there's not too much shit going on here. Hey, my girls came over to see me.
Sit.
Oh, look at you. You're a dog trainer.
I am. Yes, I am.
You going to Louisville?
Yep.
I am starting to get pretty excited about Louisville and the truck show. I'm so excited. Well, I hate to admit it, and I hate to toot my own horn. Toot! Toot! The old girl don't look too bad for an old farm truck. And you can't go wrong with a little Chevelle, boys. Is this Chevelle a car? Haha, that's it. I'm bringing my helmet to Matt's. How about it? We're gonna drink beer and let this old farm truck dry off, boys. We'll see you sons of bitches tomorrow.